Lucia, we made it, and if you don't know that that's a big deal, then you have to go watch the previous video. Anyways, we're here for Sean's brother's wedding. We just got here maybe an hour ago. We made it here, and there's like a Sandals lounge, I guess, and that's where we are now. And then we have to drive an hour and 40 minutes to the resort.
And also we're halfway to the capital of the Lucia Castle. Now you might realize the little brownish color you see by the seaside. This is what we call the seaweed. Now that's the smell. It has an awful smell like rotten eggs.
Okay, we made it. The drive over here it was long, but it wasn't bad. Like, the car was like pretty new, so it was nice and cool with the AC. Our driver was a good driver. And then we got here and they gave us these. Everyone got a drink. They said it's a mimosa, but I don't know if it tastes like, maybe it does. I don't know. It's good though. But this is what the lobby looks like, and it's just like an outdoor lobby kind of. Door, straight to the bathroom, nice shower, bedroom. We just put our stuff there, TV, drawers. In here, she said, is the mini fridge, coffee. What's in the mini fridge? She said to go crazy, and that they restock this throughout the day, and it's Sandals, so everything is included.
And the magic number is 0.
And the magic number is 0.
Call 0 if you want
Anything.
Kind of glad we're facing the ocean instead of the resort.
Yeah, at least the ocean is across the road. But yeah, we had someone walk us to our room, and then she told us all the information. Oh, yeah, I felt awkward. I didn't want to pull out my camera, but when you get here,
Wait, can you restart? I don't have my camera.
when you get here, they sing you a song. They kind of help you if you need to check in, and then they give you a drink, and then they walk you to your room. And look at this. Complimentary photo session has been reserved. Kind of cool. She said if that time doesn't work, then you can reschedule. The bag's got here, so I'm putting out all the things from my suitcase. What are they called? Toiletries. I got this because I saw Megan Thee Stallion uses it. She uses a different color, but kind of need to hurry though because we want to go eat right away. Everyone is really hungry. I don't even know like what day it is at this point anymore. We're going to use this face wash. I like this one because it just smells clean. Also, I want to brush my teeth. We don't know where we're going, but we are at the Sandals Grand Resort. We're going to find somewhere to eat, but we have to find his family. It is Thursday. We basically pulled an all-nighter, and Sean pulled like a double all-nighter because we got on a flight Wednesday night, and now it is Thursday, and it's like 4 or something. I don't know. What do you rate dinner?
The appetizer was pretty good, but the pasta was very good.
Pasta was good. The wait was really long.
Yeah, it took like an hour to get the food.
We are in a creperie place, and we just ordered some dessert crepes. Here's the time. And then out here is the pool, and there's supposed to be a water and fire show at 9. So, we're gonna try to see that. It looks pretty good. It doesn't look like you like it. Okay, I stopped the recording earlier when Sean was eating his waffle, but it had alcohol in it, and so he said it was disgusting, but he did not eat it. Now we're at the pool, and we're gonna see what this water and fire show is about.
They have danced across the world. Sometimes
cool.
I wonder if there's a gift shop.
He's been painting for a long
I
time.
might buy one, like the little ones. I like either. I like the sunset one. Either of them, really. What are you asking for?
No, just $40. Yeah.
$40.
Yeah.
Okay. And you
Either of
accept
them are-
cash or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I use it for 25 years. You know.
Oh yeah.
Let me show you this. You know, the oldest. See that? Yeah. It's like in the sun. See that? I got 5, 10.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, that looks awesome. You said 40?
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Welcome. Have a great
You too.
The show's over. It was pretty cool. The show was more than what I was expecting.
It was an hour long.
The singer's really good. They had dancers.
There's dragons.
They had dragons spitting fire. It is 10:25 p.m.
10:45.
10:25. But at home it's only 8.
Either 8:25 or 7:25.
I think it's 8 because
Well, I thought it was same as Eastern time, but then I thought I looked, and then there was an hour difference, Eastern to St. Lucia.
we sat at the beach for a little bit. It's 11:04 now. Hey, we're going for a late night swim. No one's in the pool, so it's a lot colder than what it felt like when we just put our feet in. My camera's gonna die, so we're gonna swim. I'm gonna go up to the room and then go to bed. So if it dies and I don't say goodnight, that's what happened. Good morning from St. Lucia. Welcome to day 2. Today is just a chill day, and I think there's a cocktail hour or something today. And then the day after the wedding, we leave to New York for a day, and then we go home. The only sad thing that I realized is that Peacock is not available here. So I don't know how we're going to keep up with Love Island, because that was the plan tonight. We wanted to go like on the beach or near a fire pit somewhere and watch Love Island together, because that'd be like perfect vibes for Love Island. It's 11:28 and we just got back from going to the gym. I tried to do 12:3:30, but it was more like 12:3:15. And then now they went to play pickleball, but I cannot stay in these sweatpants any longer. Okay, change of plans. We're not going swimming. We're going to lunch. But I did get Sean ready for swimming. He will not be getting a sunburn.
Next over there. I think we're sitting with him.
Okay, we ate lunch. It was okay. I think I liked the pasta place better. But now we're going to rent jet skis, so we're going for an hour. I've never done this before. Hopefully I come back alive. I'm gonna leave the camera here to tell them that we survived the jet ski.
I know.
Oh well,
Okay, crazy.
one casualty.
I know. It was fun. Making memories.
And I just looked up and I didn't see you guys on a jet ski. I was
Did they abandon ship? Both of them.
We got back on pretty fast,
I've never swam faster in my entire life, though.
but we survived. No broken bones.
Mileage.
Should we pitch perfect? Do that song?
Yeah.
Now they're married.
We're gonna
Oh my god.
So slippery.
We're gonna fall tomorrow.
I think you got it.
Wait, who's getting married?
Do you want to retry or is everybody okay with the steps for tomorrow?
Dylan, do you remember where you're going?
Yeah, remember?
Dylan's gonna go to the bar over there.
We're doing a group shot. We got Sean a Coke to help him. Cheers!
Do they have Capri Suns here?
We are waiting to eat at a restaurant. And we have 30 minutes, so we're at the bar. First impression.
I got a quadruple shot on the Virgin Red Sun.
Yeah, that's right.
Good.
Very sweet. That's really good. That's so
Thank
cool.
you.
Yeah, man.
That's beautiful. And it tastes pretty good.
Very small. There alcohol in it?
Yes, there is. This is the one. This is the drink for.
Guess what? It's twerking. Twerking from where I'm standing, yeah? It's like twerking. But it's actually a beating heart. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
We do it long distance. Alright, ready? One, two, three.
I lost the light.
The light? Alright. No lights.
Alright, let's see if I can see this.
Just open your mouth. You go.
1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Nice. Hey! Alright, ready?
Okay, we're going to swim. How many stars was the restaurant out of 5?
7. Oh, out of 5? It is good. I would say 3.
3?
It was good, but it wasn't great.
But the chef was really funny and nice, so I think he bumped up the score. I didn't get him flipping all the knives and stuff, but he was good at that. Okay, we actually went on the little floaty in the ocean, and it was fun. We almost sinked it,
That was kind of scary.
but then it got cold, so now we're at the hot tub. And no one's here!
I got it frozen on the ground. On fire. Oh my god, it actually is going! There's no lady in there! That is insane.
Time is it? 11:57. I really don't know when we started swimming, but. And Sean has to write a speech, which is what he's doing now.
Yeah. I have to do that because I just found out yesterday I have to do one.